Anton here, some thoughts on Chudan Uke. Okay. Hey guys, so there you have it, a short little video on how to spice up your blocks, in this case the middle block. Any bent arm motion like that, you know, your fist is, the form shows it like this, but you can change it into a hammer fist, change it to palms, you can change it into you know, open hand, you know, BUG, like a spear hand. You can basically change the ending to how you want it. You can even turn it into a grab, you know, where your hands are opening up into a grab or some sort of a redirection. I just showed you some ideas. Play with it, take it back, and see what you can come up with. I'm involved in an environment where, you know, we box and we do savate and Thai and all these things. So these things inform my karate through sparring. So go out there, cross-train, and have fun. Please like, subscribe, or follow, and let me know, drop a comment, let me know what you think. All right, thanks guys. Cheers. Have a good day.